Hello and welcome to another video about the IDT Lab Software as a Service Cloud, also known as SaaS. And in this video I'll actually be talking about how you can create claims and also how you can actually log help desk support and stuff like that. Okay, so we can start with creating claims, or actually logging claims made by clients, okay, or by partners. Okay, so to actually log a claim, we head on to the after sales services, and from there we select claims. And as you can see, this is a list of the claims that are currently in the system. These are the subject, the partners, the people that are responsible. These are the dates and the stages of each and every claim that is in the system. Okay, so to create a new one, we click the create button and we can give a subject of this particular claim. Okay, so here in this case we're gonna say damage product. Okay, and then we can specify the date. Okay, so the date, if you don't actually enter a date, it will assume that it is today's date. So we can also specify who is responsible for this particular claim. Okay, and we can give a priority. Okay, and also we can specify a sales team if we want to, and then we can give a deadline for this particular action. So we're gonna say this is the 9th 12 month 2015. Okay, so we can add some descriptions about the claim. Okay, so we can add a reporter. Okay, the reporter can be a partner. It can either be a customer or a supplier. Okay, so we can specify the partner. So let's say partner is Michael Sanko. Okay, and we can enter a phone number, or let's choose another partner that might have a phone number. Let's say it's you. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's see, Thomas Allen. Okay, let's enter a phone number for Thomas Allen. Okay, and then we can, the email will automatic one because there was an email address specified while creating Thomas Harden. Okay, so we can also specify the responsibilities. Okay, that is the trouble responsible. Okay, we can specify, and then we can also specify a claim category. Okay, so in this case, because we're actually talking about damage product, so we're gonna say value claims. Okay, so we can say value claims, and then we can give a reference if we want to, and we can also give our claim or action description. Okay, so we can also specify the follow-ups of this particular claim if we want to, and that is where we can specify the next action date. Let's say the next action date is the 16th. Okay, and then we can also specify the root cause of the problem, and also we can specify how we want to resolve this particular claim, that is the resolution action. Okay, so we can say whether it is a corrective action or preventive action. So in this case we're going to say corrective action because it is damaged product. Okay, so we're going to correct it by actually giving good product. Okay, so we can click save to actually save this particular claim. Okay, so as you can see, it is new. So let me come again and we can change the progress of this particular claim to in progress. Okay, or we can change it to settled, or we can change it to rejected. Okay, based on the investigations found on this particular claim. Okay, so if you come over here, we can actually see damage product, and we can see the status. It is in product, it is in progress, and you can also see the type. Okay, so this is it for creating claims. So let's talk about help desk and support. Okay, so when you actually talk about help desk and support, well, it is possible that there are times when you actually render services or you give products to your customers. There's a point when you actually need to render help desk and support, and if some help desk comes to you via email, maybe you want to log them and actually look at them and also see a way in which you can actually resolve them. Okay, and then also if you are a supplier and you actually giving products to your customers, and they came back and say, okay, I don't know how to use this laptop, you sold me, and part of the the contract we signed when buying the laptop was you will offer support for 3 months. Okay, so the customer will come back and say, okay, I actually don't know how to connect to the internet, and you might want to log that under this help desk and support, and actually see a way in which you can resolve the particular support. Okay, so we come to help desk and support, and as you can see, these are two, and you can see the priorities and the sales team, their status, and you can click create button. Okay, so here we can specify the query, okay, made by this particular client or customer. So we're gonna say the query is say can't access the HRIS. Okay, so we're gonna specify who's responsible again for this particular query. Okay, if there's a sales team responsible, and the deadline to actually respond to the particular support. Okay, we're gonna say deadline is the 10th 12/1/2015, and then also we can specify the communication, that is the partner who is actually demanding a request for this particular query. So we're going to see the partner here is, let me look for partner, we can select, and let me see, partner here is John Doe. Okay, and then we can specify the priority again of this particular query, so we can categorize it if we want to. Okay, so here let's say the category is we can create a new category. Okay, but here we're going to select ERP, enterprise resource planning, and we're going to also specify because why I said ERP, because we're actually talking about this HRIS can access, and but actually you can specify your own categories as you choose to. Okay, so we can specify a channel in which we can actually render this particular support. Okay, so we can say whether it is direct or banner ad or by email, okay, or by phone, or we can do it through the website, or we can create and edit. So in this case, let's say we're gonna make it direct. Okay, and we can add extra information. Okay, that is if you're actually costing this support, if you're actually gonna cost the client for this support we are offering. Okay, and then again we can give a reference. Okay, if it was something different, that is, let's see if we want to say it was a product and we specify the product, but in this case it is not actually a product that we already have in the system, so we're going to leave it blank. Okay, so we click the save button. Okay, so here again we can change the progress of this particular help desk support. So if we come over here, we can see the can't access HRIS, and we can see the priority. If there is a sales team involved, we can see a sales team here, and then let's click. We can change the progress to in progress or pending, closed or cancelled, and so on. Okay, so if you come over here, we can actually see the status is pending, and you can also see there's a color coding, okay, for it. So this is it so far for creating of a login help desk and support. Okay, hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching. Bye.